Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Alexa on Fitbit Sense 2. First, make sure your Sense 2 is fully charged and paired with your phone. Open the Fitbit app, tap your profile picture, then your device image. Scroll down to Voice Assistant and select Amazon Alexa. Follow the on-screen prompts to log in with your Amazon account or create a new one. This simple process connects your watch to Alexa. Once set up, using Alexa is straightforward. Simply press and hold the button on the left side of your Fitbit Sense 2. When you see the Alexa icon, speak your command or question clearly into the watch. You can ask about the weather, set a timer, or even control compatible smart home devices. It's like having a personal assistant right on your wrist. Alexa on your Sense 2 offers many convenient features for daily life. You can quickly get information, like sports scores or unit conversions, without pulling out your phone. It's also great for managing your smart home, allowing you to turn lights on or off with just your voice. Plus, you can easily add items to your Amazon shopping list or set reminders on the go. If you encounter issues, first ensure your phone has a stable internet connection, as Alexa requires it. Also, verify that your Fitbit app is updated to its most recent version. Sometimes, simply restarting both your Sense 2 and your phone can resolve minor glitches. Remember, a strong Bluetooth connection between your devices is crucial for smooth operation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.